line y equal to x touches a circle at P such that OP equal to 4 root 2 point minus 10 comma 2 lies inside the circle and the length of chord x plus y equal to 0 on circle is 6 root 2. Find circle. Okay. X axis, y axis. Y equal to x touches a circle. Now y equal to x touches a circle at P. Touches circle at P అంటే మనకి two possibilities అండి. This x axis. This one is y equal to x. At point P. So line y equal to x touches a circle at P such that OP length is 4 root 2. Length of OP 4 root 2. Point minus 10 comma 2 lies inside the circle. Minus 10 comma 2, this point belongs to second quadrant. So second quadrant and this point lies inside the circle. Inside the circle and only this one possible. This one not possible. The circle. Okay. Y equal to x touches a circle. So touch the circle అంటే మనకి ఈ part ఈ cycle possible అవుతుంది. This one and possible. So two cases వస్తాయి. Generally మనకి ఏం విషయం అంటే this point lies inside the circle. Inside the circle అంటే this one belongs to second quadrant కదా. So this remove చేస్తాం. So this is the point P. OP length is 4 root 2. So this point P lies inside the minus 10 comma 2 inside the circle. And the length of chord x plus y on cycle is 6 root 2. This one is y equal to minus 6. This one y equal to minus x line. So the length of chord x plus y equal to 0 on cycle is 6 root 2. This point here, this point B. Entire length is 6 root 2. Find the circle. Okay. Let center C be alpha comma beta. What is center of the circle? Alpha comma beta. So from drawn perpendicular from center to chord perpendicularly 90 degrees. So this one is the midpoint. M is midpoint on AB. So entire length is 6 root 2. Entire length 6 root 2. So this one is 3 root 2. This one 3 root 2. AM equals BM. Next is the point P. Drawn perpendicularly. So it is a point of contact. The angle between point of contact and radius is 90 degrees. Here y equal to x, y equal to minus x. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. This one 90 degrees. Now it is a rectangle, quadrilateral CMOP is a rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and all the four angles equal to 90 degrees. So rectangle opposite sides are equal. This one 4 root 2. This one radius R. Here CP radius. Now CA also radius. So from center to point of the circumference of the circle, it is a radius. CA radius is CP radius. CA equals to CP. We can find R. It is a right angle triangle. In triangle CMA is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square R square equals 3 root 2 whole square plus 4 root 2 whole square. 9 2s are 18 plus 16 2s are 32. R square equals 50. R equals square root of 50. 25 2s are so 5 root 2. Radius is 5 root 2. So radius is 5 root 2. So here take perpendicular length from center to this straight line. So perpendicular length. Here CP perpendicular to this line y equals to x. So take perpendicular length. So radius R equals to CP. Here R 5 root 2. What is the length of perpendicular? So this equation y equal to x point alpha comma beta. So x minus y or y minus x. So alpha minus beta modulus by square root of 1 square plus square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. This one is 2. Root 2. Alpha minus beta equals 10. That is equation 1. ఇంకో ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా బీటా తెలుస్తుంది అనుకోండి ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా హియర్ సిపి perpendicular to y equal to x this line. Here also cm perpendicular to this line. Here cm perpendicular to y equal to minus 6. So point C alpha comma beta. So 4 root 2. 4 root 2 equals length of cm is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 equals length of perpendicular from center to this one chord. So this equation is y equal to minus x. So y minus x. Y plus x. Alpha plus beta modulus by root 2. So 4 2 is 8. Alpha plus beta. This one is modulus plus or minus 10. So this one plus or minus 4 2 is 8. That is equation 2. So here plus minus total 4 centers possible. We get 4 circles, 4 centers. So solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2 equations. First case positive positive. Positive positive. It means alpha minus beta equal to 10. Alpha plus beta equal to 8. Add these two. We get 2 alpha equal to 18, alpha equal to 9, beta equal to minus 1. Next, the second one, positive, negative. First one is positive, alpha minus beta equal to 10, alpha plus beta equal to minus, so minus 8. Adding these two, 2 alpha equal to 1, beta equal to minus 9. So third one, negative, positive. First one is negative, alpha minus beta equal to minus 10. Positive is alpha plus beta equal to 8. Add these two equations, 2 alpha equal to 2, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to, adding these two, 2 alpha equal to this one minus 10. So adding these two, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1 plus almost 7. Fourth one, negative negative. So alpha minus beta equal to minus 10. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 8. So adding these two, 2 alpha equal to minus 8 and alpha equal to minus 9, beta equal to 1. Sorry, small mistake here. Here adding these two, minus 2. So alpha equal to -1, beta equal to 9. So 4 centers available. So important point, a center lies in the first quadrant or second quadrant. అది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ అనుకోని రెండు పాజిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. బోత్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ అనేది లేదు అక్కడ కూడా. రెండు పాజిటివ్, బోత్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ లేదు కదండి. నెగిటివ్ పాజిటివ్, నెగిటివ్ పాజిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్. సో మనకి ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ అది కాదు, ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. సెంటర్ అనేది సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ ఉంటుందండి. Here this point lies in the second quadrant, center also lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, see first negative, next positive. So second quadrant negative and positive. So this one is removing no, yes, yes, two centers. So radius available and center available. We can find the equation of the circle. What is the equation of circle? X minus alpha x plus 1 whole square plus y minus beta y minus 9 whole square equal to radius square. Radius is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 whole square, 25, 2s are 50. Next, equation of circle x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta. Beta is 1. Y minus 1 whole square equal to 50. We have to check which one will satisfy. What is the condition here? This point lies inside the circle. So this one S1 less than 0. Inside the circle S less than 0. S1 less than 0. On the circle, lies on the circumference of the circle, S1 equal to 0. Outside the circle, S1 greater than 0. So this point lies inside the circle. It means S1 satisfies the circle less than 0. So S1 less than 0. మరి ఇక్కడ S1 less than 0 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ S1 less than 0 వస్తుంది, చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. So x plus 1, what's the point? Minus 10 comma 2, minus 10, 9 square 81, plus y minus 9 whole square, 2 minus 7 square 49, minus 50. This one is greater than, here S1 is greater than 0. Remove this one. So here x is minus 10, 1 square plus y is 2, 2 minus 1, 1 square minus 50. This one is less than 0, S1 less than 0. This is the answer. Final answer, what is the equation of circle? X plus 9 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal 50. This is the final answer. I hope this is clear. Next one, find k if variable line y equal to x plus k lies between the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 16x minus 2y plus 61 equal to 0 without intersecting or touching either circle. What is center of this circle? 1 comma 1. Radius square root of 1 square plus 1 g square plus f square minus 1. Radius is 1. Now center of the circle R1, C1, C2. Center of the circle 8 comma 1. So radius square root of 8 square plus 1 minus 61. So radius is 2. Center C1, center C 1 comma 1. Given line y equals 2x plus k. Center C2 8 comma 1. So this one is R2 radius, this one R1 radius, R1 is 1, R2 is 2. So perpendicular length of P from length of perpendicular from center to straight line P2. This one is P1. So here three conditions. Condition 1 is P1 length of perpendicular from center to straight line. P1 is greater than R1. Condition 2, P2 is greater than R2. P2 is greater than R2. Condition 3, condition 2, P2 is greater than R2. Condition 3, line, one center is 8, 1, C2. So another center is 1, 1. So these two are opposite to this line, left of this line, right of this line. Now we explain some straight lines, both are same side of line. So this is a line L equal to 0. So L of C1 into L of C2 is less than 0. Both are same side of this line and quantity greater than 0. Both are positive, both are negative. So positive negative or negative positive. So L of C1 into L of C2 is less than 0. Now I will explain చేశాను. ఇది చూడండి previous videos లో కూడా explain చేశాను. So first condition 1. So P1 is greater than R1. P1 is greater than R1. This one is 2x, line is 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. So length of perpendicular from the center to straight line. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 plus k by square root of 2 square plus 1, 5, square root of 5 is greater than R1, radius is 1. So 1 plus k plus 1 modulus is greater than root 5. So k plus 1 greater than plus or minus root 5. Remove modulus. K will be minus 1 plus or minus root 5. Next, second condition. What second condition? P2 is greater than R2. Length of perpendicular from center to straight line 8, 1 to edges 16 minus 1 plus k divided by 4 plus 1 square root of 5 modulus greater than R2, radius is 2. Now k plus 17 or 15, k plus 15 modulus k plus 15 greater than 2 root 5. So k plus 15 greater than plus or minus 2 root 5. So k greater than minus 15 plus or minus 2 root 5. So minus 15 plus or minus root 5. This is the condition 2. Condition 3. Condition 3, L of C1 into L of C2 is less than 0. So C1 is 1, 1. So this is line 1, 1. 2 minus 1 plus k into L of C2 8, 1 to edges 16 minus 1 plus k less than 0. Here k plus 1 into k plus 15 less than 0. Roots are minus 1, minus 15. Less than 0 between the roots. Extreme rate always positive. So here k belongs to open interval minus 15, minus 1. So a greater than 0. So first one minus 1 minus root 5. This one minus 1 plus root 5. Plus minus plus. Extreme rate always positive. Here k is greater than 0. So k is greater than this value. It means positive values. So here minus k belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 5 union minus 1 plus root 5 to infinity. Now minus 15 minus 2 root 5 minus 15 plus 2 root 5. Extreme rate always positive, negative, positive. Here k is greater than this value. So here k belongs to minus open interval minus 15 minus 2 root 5. Sorry. Minus infinity to minus 15 minus 2 root 5 union minus 15 plus 2 root 5 to infinity open interval. So intersection part. So take intersection. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. 1 intersection, 2 intersection, 3. First one is a minus 1 minus root 5. Next root is minus 1 plus root 5. Next one is a minus 1. Next one minus 15. This one is this 2 point something. This one minus 4 point some value. Minus 19. This value is minus 19. So minus 15 minus 2 root 5. This value minus 15 plus 4. Minus 15 plus 4 minus 11. Here. Minus 15 plus 2 root 5. So extreme rate always positive, negative. Sorry, actually we find out just the intersection part. So first condition minus infinity to this one open interval. Second case. Third case between these two. Between these two. Okay. What is the intersection part here? This one is intersection part, common part. What is common part? Here k belongs to open interval minus 15 plus 2 root 5 minus 1 minus root 5. So this is the final answer. I hope you are understanding. Next one, length of chord. మనం ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాము. Center alpha comma beta, point A, point B, drawn perpendicular to chord. So this is the length of perpendicular from center to chord. BP, CA radius, CB radius. So this one midpoint, M is the midpoint on AB, AM equal to BM. So question is the length of chord AB. The length of chord is AB. AB equal to 2 times of AM or 2 times of BM. So length of BM. Now it is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square R square equal to AM square plus CM square. AC square equal to AM square plus CM square. Now R square equal to AM square plus CM, length of CM, P square. Here P is length length of perpendicular from center to chord P. Now EM square equals R square minus P square. Now AB equals 2 times of AM, square root of R square minus P square. Suppose this is the line equation, AX plus BY plus C equals 0 line. Here P is length of perpendicular from center to this line. So X is alpha, Y is beta. A alpha plus B beta plus C modulus by square root of A square plus B square. So first case is if R square greater than P square, line will be chord. Line is chord or secant. Case 2, condition 2, if R square equal to P square, line will be tangent. Third condition, if R square less than P square, negative means imaginary, line will outside the circle. And we explain here some previous concepts already. So this is the length of chord. For example, find chord length made on 6x plus 8y minus 12 equal to 0 by x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 16. So length of the chord is 2 times square root of R square minus P square, where R is the radius of circle, P is length of perpendicular from center to straight line. This is a straight line. So what is the center of the circle? 4, 3. Radius is 4 square, R square 4. So we need to calculate P. P is perpendicular, length of perpendicular from center to this line. So what is this? 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24 minus 12 by square root of 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64. So 36 by square root of 110. P equals 3.6, 36 by 10. Now 2 times of square root of R square 4 square minus P square 36 by 10 whole square. 2 times square root of 16 minus 2 18s are 2 5s are 18 square 324 by 5 square 25. 25 16s are 400. 400 minus 324 by square root of 25 5 2 by 5. 2 by 5 square root of this one is 76. 2 by 5th square root of 76. I hope this is clear. So this one is 4 how many times? 4 19s. So square root of 4 2 2 to the 4 4 fifth square root of 19. 4 times 4 fifth or 4 root 19 by 5. This is the final one.